Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Very
sir.
so.
Good morning, everyone.
How are you?
Good morning, sir.
Good
Exercise.
morning, sir.
We are doing exercise. Good morning. 20A. We have to start with question number 6 because we have already done question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have done question 9, 10, 11, 12 also when there was a combined class with 7th A yesterday. Question 6,
Yes,
7, 8 are left
sir.
in the class. Yes.
Sir, Zara is saying that she is not able to open her camera and mic.
Okay. Question 6. Find the cost of carpeting a room 13 meter by 9 meter with a carpet width 75 centimeter at the rate of rupees 105 per meter. So there is a room. The length and breadth of the room are 13 meters. Breadth is 9 meters. We have to carpet the room. The length of the carpet is not given. Okay. It is not there. Breadth of the carpet is 75 centimeters. So we are converting the breadth in meters. If we convert centimeters in meter, we divide by 100. So we get 0.75 meters. Why are we converting in meter? Because all the other units are in meter. So we have to find the cost of carpeting at rupees 105 per meter. That means if we buy 1 meter carpet, we have to pay rupees 105. So we have to find out how much length of carpet is required to cover the whole room. So what we are going to do, first we will find out the area of the room because that will only be the area of carpet which is required to cover the room. So area of room is equal to length into breadth. That means 13 into 9. I am not multiplying it because afterwards I have to simplify. So area of carpet required is equal to area of room. And what is the area of carpet? Let's take the length as x, length of the carpet be x, which is not given. Let's take it as x. So x into, this is the area of carpet, x into 0.75. Area of room 13 into 9. From this equation, we can find the length of carpet. Why are we putting the area of carpet equals to area of room? Because
Because we have
this
to fit
carpet is the same carpet is to be used to cover the whole room. That means the area of the carpet should be equal to the area of room, then only it will be able to cover it. So from this equation we can find x. 13 into 9 divided by 0.75. This gives you 13 into 900 upon 75. So 75, 900 divided by 75 is 12.
12.
13 into 12,
156.
156 meter. This is the total length of carpet required to cover the whole room. And the cost of carpeting now, the rate at which we can buy the carpet is rupees 105 per meter. That means for 1 meter carpet we have to pay rupees 105. But we don't have to buy 1 meter carpet, we have to buy 156 meters of carpet. So 156 multiplied by 105. What is the product? Find the product. It is how much? Rupees 16,380.
60,380.
Correct. Note down the question, please.
Just a second.
Sir, done.
Certain.
Question number 7.
So you can hata this from the board.
Okay. Question number 7. The cost of carpeting a room 15 meter long with a carpet of width 75 centimeter is rupees 80 per meter. At rupees 80 per meter is rupees 19,200. So again, there is a room, there is a carpet.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, someone is there with the name Pratyush Pal, and sir, he is not in our class.
Yes, sir.
Sir, he is in fifth. Sir.
I have removed him. So room, the dimensions of the room are the cost of carpeting a room for 15 meter long. The length of the room is given 15 meters. The width of the room is not given. Breadth is not given. So let the breadth of the room be x meters. And then there is a carpet. Length of the carpet is again not given. Y. The width of the carpet is given 75 centimeters like the last question. 0.75 meters. Again changing the unit in meters. Now the concept is again the same. The area of the room and the area of the carpet will be the same because the same carpet will be used to cover the whole room. Area of carpet is equals to area of room. Okay, so area of carpet y into length into breadth y into 0.75 and area of room 15 into x. So what is the length of carpet in terms of x? Y equals to 15x upon 0.75. So y is equals to 15x into 100 upon 75. Decimal, removing the decimal from the denominator, we can multiply the numerator by 100. 75 divided by 25 is 3. 100 divided by 25 is 4. Now 3 and 15 you can divide, you get 5 in the numerator. So this gives you 20x. This is the length of the carpet in terms of x. Now, how can we find the cost of carpeting the room? The rate at which we can buy the carpet is rupees 80 per meter. For 1 meter carpet, you have to pay rupees 80.
20x multiply 80.
Very good. So cost of carpet will be equals to 20x, the length of the carpet multiplied by 80. Okay, so this is how we can find the cost of carpet, but in this case the cost of carpet is already given. 20x into 80 is equal to 19200. The total cost of carpeting is given 19200. So you can find x from here, 19200 upon 20 into 80. 20 and 80 both are in multiplication with x, so they will go to RHS and they will go in denominator. So simplify this. 192
Sir,
divided by 60. What is the value?
Sir, x is equal to 12 meters.
Very good. X equals to 12 meters. This is the total breadth of the room. What is x? हमने x किसको माना था? We assumed that x is the width of the room. So it is 12 meters.
Sir, we have to also send on the group.
Yes, sir.
No, beta.
Excuse
Yes. Okay, pre-post your
Sir,
answer.
like below the cost of carpet, sir, it's written at 20x into 80 is equal to cost of carpet. So, sir, why don't we have written x there?
Where?
Sir, why don't we have written x there?
Which place,
So,
beta?
20x into 50 is equal to 19,200. So, 19,200.
In this step you are saying?
Yes, sir.
लिखा है बेटा 20x into 80. लिखा है x. X is there. What? Is there
So, what
something
you
else?
saying?
Sorry.
No, sir. So, like, why we don't have written x there? So, like, 19,200x.
Because I have not multiplied 20 and 80. But I am not multiplying 20 and 80. What I have done, I have put this cost. Actually, the cost of carpet is given. This 19,200 is not the product of 20 and 80. This is given. 19,200 is the cost of carpeting.
Okay, sir.
Total cost of carpet, which is given in the question, 19,200. So that is why I have put the two things equal in this equation.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is the
Yes.
formula of finding the cost of carpet, and this cost of carpet is already given in the question, 19,200. So that is why putting the two things equal, we can find x. Okay, clear? May we start with question 8? Please post your answers.
Sir, send.
Question 8. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are in the ratio 5:3. Length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are in the ratio 5:3. If the total cost of fencing it at rupees 24 per meter is rupees 9600, similar type of question. Find the length and breadth of the rectangular piece of land. Okay. So there is a rectangular piece of land. Its length and breadth are in the ratio 5:3. This is given in the question. The ratio of length and breadth is 5:3.
Sir,
So
are you
let,
writing?
yes,
So whenever you are writing, I'm not able to see that. When you have explained full question, then only I'm able to see. Sir,
Sanya, beta,
always it is happening.
Why not switch off
Sanya,
your camera?
turn off your camera.
So earlier also I have closed my camera for a long period of time.
Tanya, rejoin.
Keep it off. Keep your camera off, and don't switch it on. Or you rejoin the meeting. You have some network issue. Rejoin the meeting, and then keep your camera off.
Sir, if I'll keep my camera off, so in recording, no one will able to see my face. So how it will prove that I'm attending class?
So no problem, beta. It is not compulsory. If you don't have good network, then it is not compulsory to keep your camera on. Okay. So
Okay,
let
sir.
the length equals to 5x and the breadth equals to 3x. So this is the length and breadth of the room of the rectangular land. If the total cost of fencing, the cost of fencing is given, that means we will find the perimeter of the rectangle. Fencing is related to perimeter. Okay, fencing is done on the border of the rectangular piece of land. So we will find the perimeter. Perimeter is equals to 2l plus b. So 2 into 5x plus 3x, 2 into 8x, it gives you 16x. Okay. So this is the perimeter of the rectangular land. Now the cost of fencing. If 1 meter fencing is done, you have to pay rupees 24. This is the rate that if you do 1 meter fencing, you have to pay rupees 24 for it. For 16x meters of fencing, how much we have to pay? So cost of fencing, how will we find the cost of fencing? The total perimeter
No,
of,
sir.
yes,
So the total perimeter into the cost of
into the rate of fencing. Rate of fencing is 24 rupees per meter. Okay. Now this cost of fencing is given. So you can write here, given cost of fencing is how much? Rupees 9,600. 9,600. So this is given. So that means we can put the two things equal. 16x into 24 equals to 9,600. Okay. So x equals to 9,600 upon 16 into 24. So when you simplify this a little bit, 400 upon 16, 400 upon 16 is how much? 2, 5. 25 is the value of x, 25 meters. Now the length and breadth of the rectangle that we have to find out finally. Length of the rectangle is 5x. So this will give you 125 meters. The length
125 meters.
of the rectangular plot and breadth of the rectangular plot 3x. So this
75
gives you 75 meters. Okay. Please note down.
Sir, also saying yes.
Done?
Yes.
No, sir.
Sir, just a minute.
Sudden sending.
Is it done?
So my camera is off, but then also I'm not able to see.
Beta, what can we do? Are you having a
Yes,
Wi-Fi connection or a mobile connection?
the Wi-Fi.
Get your Wi-Fi connection checked once.
Now, so just now when you say check your Wi-Fi, so I'm able to see everything.
Okay. Okay, all of you. Question number 13. Because question 9, 10, 11, 12 we have already done in yesterday's class. Question 13. The area of a square field is half hectare. There is a square. Hmm. So there is a square field. The area of the square field is given half hectare. Hectare is also a unit of area. Okay, hectare is a unit of area. So this means and 1 hectare, the relation between hectare and meter square is that 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters square. 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters square. Okay. So area is equals to, let's convert the area in meters square, half into 10,000 meters square, that means 5,000 meters square.
What is hectare?
Hectare is unit of area. The relation between
Okay, sir.
hectare and meter square, it is generally used for large area lands. This unit is for when you have to count large area. So we use the unit hectare. So 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters square. So half hectare is equals to half multiplied by 1/2 multiplied by 10,000. You will get it in meters square. So this becomes 5,000 meters square. Now with this, we have to find the diagonal of the square field. So let the side of the square field be x. We know in a square all sides are equal, so therefore all the sides are x. We have assumed that the side is x, and let the diagonal be y. Let the diagonal of the square field be y. In a square, all angles are right angles. So in triangle, ABC, angle ABC is equals to 90 degrees. Angle ABC is 90 because all angles in a rectangle are right angles. Therefore, now we can use Pythagoras theorem in the triangle ABC. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is y, in this case it is y, and perpendicular is x, base is also x. So if the area is given 5000 meters square, what is the formula of area, all of you? Area formula is, what is the formula of
So,
area of a square? Side into side, or side is square, so that means x square. Area is equal to x square, and this is given 5000. Okay, so can we put in place of x square, can we write 5000 here? 5000 plus again 5000, putting the value of x square. So y square is equals to 10,000. That means y is equal to square root of 10,000. When you find the square root of 10,000, you get y equals to 100 meters. Answer: this is the length of the diagonal. Got it?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
no.
Put down the question and post it in the group. I hope you all have done.
Yes.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, the area is equal
Yes, sir.
to 5,000 meters. So the area of the square is equal to 5,000 meters.
Yes, area of a square is 5000 meters square.
Yes, sir. So, sir, like why we are adding so in angle ABC, so why we are adding 5,000 two times?
Actually, we are writing the Pythagoras theorem here. Look at this. This is Pythagoras theorem. We are using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. See the triangle ABC. Using Pythagoras theorem, this triangle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the hypotenuse of this triangle? The hypotenuse is y. The
So
perpendicular
y.
is x, and the base is also x. Okay. So that is why we have got this equation. Hypotenuse in place of hypotenuse, that is y. Y square, perpendicular is x, and base is also x. So y square equal to x square plus x square. Now the value of x square we already know is 5000.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So putting x
Yes.
square 5000, again 5000, we get y square equal to 10,000. That means y equals to 100 meter. Understood?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So question number 14. The area of a square plot is 6084 meters square.
Sir, I have done this question. So just
Very
now
good.
only.
Find
So
the
my
length of the
answer is
wire.
1248 meters.
Very good. Correct answer. The area of a square plot is 6084 meters square. Find the length of the wire which can go 4 times along the boundary of the plot. So area of the plot, square plot is given. I'm just explaining you the question. You all will try it on your own. Area of the
So can I
plot.
send
Yes, sure. Area of the square plot is 6084 meters square. This is given. Okay. Let the side of the square field be x. You have to find that how much wire will be required if we want to go 4 times along the boundary of the plot. Boundary की बात हो रही है यहाँ पर. So boundary is related to the perimeter. That means area is given. You have to find the perimeter. To find the perimeter, you will first find the side of the plot. Side is x. Find the side with the help of area. Find the side of the plot and use the side of the plot to find the perimeter. And then we will multiply the perimeter also by 4. Why by 4? Because we want to uh, go 4 times around the boundary. There is a wire. We have to take the wire 4 times around the boundary. Okay, so we will multiply the perimeter by 4. So we will get the total length of wire if we do this. Find out, everyone.
Sir, I got disconnected. Sir, have you seen my answer?
Yes, but I will just take. Let everyone
Okay,
also
sir.
do. What is your answer, Sania?
Sir, 1248.
Correct answer. Very good. One, 2, 4, 8 meter.
So like the rough one, which is the which we have to make the like LCM. So I have done in that. So I haven't sent that. So I have to send.
Sorry, what?
Sir, I'm saying that 6248 is जो LCM आया. So we have to. I have to send that also rough work. I haven't no. I have not sent that. Only answer has sent.
No, you have to show the whole solution of the question. the solution.
Okay, sir, showing. I'm sending that out.
Okay, I think you all must have done it. We all know that area is equal to
Yes,
side
sir.
square, that means x square. So this means x square is equal to 6084. X is equals to square root of 6084. So what is the square root of 6084? You will do the prime factors of 6084.
Or 78.
When we do the prime factors of 6084, we get 3042, again divide by 2, 1521. Now you divide by 3, 507, again divide by 3, 169. Now divide by 13, you get 13, again divide by 13, you get 1. So the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. So there is a pair of 2, there is a pair of 3, there is a pair of 13. So that means x is equals to 2 into 3 into 13. This is x. When we multiply, we get 78 meters. This is the side of a square. Now the perimeter of the square is 4 into side. So this is equal to 312 meters. And the length of wire that is required, we have to take the wire 4 times around the field. So length of wire is equal to 4 into perimeter. That means 4 into 312. It gives you 21248 meters. 1248 meters. This is the final answer. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.